What's up, Kuya Broom right here. Another vlog, another content. This time we're gonna do barbecue in the island. Barbecue in the island. And we're starting it now. That's the charcoal that's used in Norway. Now what's that for?
This is just also charcoal, but I'm using dust to get it to burn faster.
Okay, so yung dust niya ng charcoal para mabilis ma-burn. And now what are you putting?
I'm putting in fire starters just to get it burning. I usually don't use this, but I have to today because I don't have.
It'll be faster, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so that's fire starter.
I don't like it because it adds flavor. It is gasoline, so I'm very careful about using.
Oh, it's gasoline.
Kind of gasoline.
Okay, so this is it. Ayan yung nilagay niya. Ayan. Mas mabilis kasi na makakuha ng fire. Na ma-fire tong charcoal pag gumamit nun. So again, this is the family. This is the continuation of the first vlog, but this is barbecuing in an island. Ihaw, ihaw. I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, boy. Okay, so light it up.
I don't use any gasoline because it puts too much flavor to the food.
Yep.
Nice.
It's gonna taste like gasoline.
Yeah.
You don't need to carry a gallon of gasoline. You just need that.
This is what Norwegians do most of the time. They flavor their food with gasoline. When they do cooking in Norway, it is a shame because they use about a gallon of gasoline to get their grill to go.
Right. It's burning.
Yeah.
It's burning in there. So, sinisinda na po namin ang aming pang-ihaw. Now we're gonna help you. I'm gonna help you.
Some brother love.
Some brother love. There, no wind anymore.
Fire.
No wind anymore. Got your back, man.
Fire of your life.
Always got your back.
It's not dry enough.
How about we burn?
Damn it.
How about you burn this?
Yeah.
That should do. Yeah.
Can we find some sticks?
Yeah, sticks would be fine, but no, it's
Somali and the whale.
I'm just burning it right now with my sister.
There we go.
There you go.
Should be.
Fire. Don't play with fire.
Son. Let me see.
Fire god.
Bob Mowgli.
Bob Mowgli.
We have to do like
Bob Momi. Bob Mowi.
how is it
Black Panther forever.
Wakanda forever. Of course.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Black Panther. Yep, Wakanda.
Der kom det en ny nå. Dere vet hva som skjedde med han ja.
Det er jo så synd, for jeg har jo fulgt Marvel i alle år.
So right now, sasaltala sila Norwegian.
Han så mye, men nå kommer vi til å ta en story der.
Ja, natin sila magsalta ng Norwegian. Men jeg kan norsk. Kan ikke forstå norsk. Ja. So try to understand them.
Han var ganske flink til å spille den.
Han var veldig flink, ja. Det var det som var så morsomt med det.
So I'll show you more once the food is on there. I'll see ya.
15 minutes later.
What's up? What's up? So let's go grill na. We're setting it up. We're gonna put the chicken in the grill.
Hindi mo mabuksan, no? Ito sa'yo. Dito. Yan.
Instructor, Instructor ang dating.
Ako yung marunong dyan sa kanilang lahat. Asa nahihirapan ako eh.
See? Can't do it. Yep, I messed it up. Natanggal yung plastic. So we put it in. This one too, Angelica. You're just gonna be my model.
Wow! Sa akin binigay lahat. Nabuksan mo, di mo naman binuksan. Binigay mo lang sa akin eh.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hindi nga mabuksan. Ito na lang. Isa, mas madaling buksan. I'll just cut that later. See that? Malakas ka. So now it's cooking. It's cooking.
Hira na yun. Kung asan yung...
It's cooking now. Some good grilling. So yun, gigrill lang kami ng chicken. My sister is the one putting it there. Tapos meron pa tayo dito. Some hot dogs and some marinated. I don't know what that is. But yeah. See you more.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history.
this yan ulap. So, ayan. Iyaw lang. Oh, si Tita Judith naman. Ikaw. Ito, hawak mo.
Baya ano sa akin, no? Picture mo si...
Wait a minute. I'm gonna take a picture.
So, what are we cooking here?
This is what we're gonna cook. Some meat.
Yeah.
Meat for the man. Man meat.
Man meat.
There you go.
I like the sound of that. Oh, good sound.
Some good meat.
That's some good meat. Good one, good
I
one.
just need to clear my head. I 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 just need to. I just need to clear my head.
Hi folken! Say hi to vloggen!
So what's up? Almost done. How's the taste?
Oh my god, that is wonderful.
And the hot dog.
Everything is just amazing. Filipino rice.
That's me, Chef Kuya Broom.
Kiss the cook.
Yeah,
And remember to subscribe.
always good. Yeah, good. Yeah, so we're having some barbecue in here. Almost done. This is the last batch. It's hot and tasty. Napakasarap ng chicken. Well, yung chicken mostly pre-cooked na yun eh. So, more on heating na lang siya. And then, yung hot dog, mabilis lang naman maluto. Tapos itong pork, it's marinated already. You just have to put it there, cook it for a little bit, then ready to eat na. Ihaw dito sa Norwegian island, should I say. I'm not sure.
No!
Hindi ko talaga alam yung lugar. Kalimutan ko yung lugar. Basta sinabi niya na yung lugar eh. Ayun lang naman so far mga kabroom. Tapos ayan mga tita, having fun. They are having fun. Eating. Chillin' by the way. So baliktad na natin siya. Baka masunog. So baliktad lang natin lahat. Para sure na maluto. Baliktad yung hot dog. There's some good hot dogs. Actually, I like these hot dogs. Nakatira ako dito, yan yung favorite kong hot dog dito sa Norway. So, yup. I'm just gonna taste it later. I'll see you back.
15 minutes later.
So, done with the grill. It's tasting time. Let's taste the chicken. Taste the chicken.
Mga laway nyo, nagtalsikan sa kape ko, tatapos mo ng kape ko. Ang pinga ko nakatakip. Ang baso ko nakalikuha.
Oh, good. This is the best. And it's spicy.
Alam niyo yung mga plato, pwede kong gumamit na may plato. Kaya ng plato, kaya
So good.
kapalit kayo ng plato.
It's so good. There's some good chicken right here.
Maganda.
Good. Let's try the hot dog.
She's
Hot dog. Wow, sarap. Sarap ng chorizo nila dito.
Only the boys. We're not loud. We're not boys.
So good. My brother is right here. We're just doing some business calls. So good. Kahit nang niluto ko masarap. That's ihaw-ihaw in the island. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Nasunog yung mukha ko. Yung tagilid, nasunog. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Para lagi kayong updated. Next vlog is the fishing vlog. We out. Keep praying. Bye.